support your head, slightly bridge your hips up off the ground, roll to the very tops of your shoulders, just below your neck. And then you're going to roll down slowly to right above your lower back, still on the back of the rib cage. You're going to do that nice and slow, at least several times. You may find a knot in there. You may not. And then after rolling up and down all the way below the neck, so all the way right above your lower back, we're going to start to add in a rotation. And so the rotation, I'm going to rotate towards you so that we're getting more pressure on the right side of my spine, right side of the rib cage, right above my lower back. And then I'm going to come up to right around that right shoulder blade area, several times, going nice and slow, stopping along the way on anything that feels a little bit more tender and needs a little bit more time to be loosened up. Now, if I find a trigger point or a spot that needs more time to loosen up, I'm going to stop there, maintain pressure on that spot, and breathe. Okay, I'm going to show you the same thing on that left side. Okay, right above my lower back, 2, right below my neck, several times. And then I'm going to rotate towards you, get more pressure on the left side of my spine. All the way up around that left shoulder blade area. Okay,